Can you create collaborative learning opportunities with Times Table's Rockstars? How can you encourage purposeful talk and shared experiences and times where students can work together? Well, we went to Swallowfield Primary School in Milton Keynes to find out.
My name is Fiona and I'm Year 5 class teacher.
My name's Amy McCormick and I'm a Year 4 teacher, so I teach children who are 8 and 9.
So what I tend to do is let them choose where to sit when we're doing TTRS. So we have quite a relaxed environment in the classroom. We've got like a little reading area with some cushions, and quite a lot of the children like to go and sit in there and make a small group and play together. And then I just let them choose their partners to kind of create a nice relaxed atmosphere. And I think that really helps to get the children to talk to each other as well, because quite a big bit of the kind of maths mastery is about talk and using maths vocabulary and explaining your ideas to other people. And so I think when they're kind of working with a friend that they've chosen, they feel comfortable and are able to talk about how they've worked out a times table or how they got a high score. I think sometimes they explain it to each other in a kind of a basic, kind of more of a chatty way, and I think sometimes actually the children relate to that more.
So we've been letting the children sit with their friends, which at first was a bit scary as a teacher, because you think, oh no, how is their behaviour going to be? But once they were sat together with their friends, what we actually found was that they were being more collaborative. Yes, they were a bit noisy at the beginning, but as I looked around the room I realised, no, they are actually really engaged in what they're doing.
I think as a whole class we tend to do the things where we're working towards something. So I think it was the England Rocks, but working towards that, they all really wanted to win, so working towards that. And then there was the NSPCC one as well, where we all worked together. So we tend to do whole class more like that, so we can kind of support each other. I think it's a good reminder that when we do work together we can achieve, and I think it does inspire, it kind of keeps TTRS in their kind of minds, I guess. They can see it all the time and they think, oh yeah, we did really well on that. I might do a bit more tonight at home and kind of work towards my own kind of goal, that kind of thing.
Quite often we use a spin the wheel as well, where the different activities are on the wheel, we spin it, it stops and we'll land on festival, for example, or garage, and we all do 5 minutes of that together, and then we spin the wheel again and we try something different. That really encourages them to use the different options. They all get really excited as to what's going to happen next, what's going to come, and yeah, there's lots of cheering, lots of excitement.
Yes, and we do rock days. They are really good fun, and it shows that the whole school is on board with TTRS, so everybody dresses up and everybody plays TTRS during that day. And it's just really nice to show that we are all, it kind of shows that we are a TTRS school, like everybody is on board. And it's really nice for the parents as well, because they get to see, we use Google Classroom to show them pictures of us dressed up and things like that, so it makes it like a really good community event.
Yeah, it was absolutely amazing. I think it just gave the children lots of fun. It was just a really fun day to have, and it encouraged them to play more TTRS. TTRS was at the heart of the day really, and we also had rock music playing whilst they came in the morning. And I think it's just something for the children to look back on and remember as well as, oh, that was a really fun day, I remember that from school. That encouraged me to do my times tables. Definitely worth it, just do it. Even if you're really afraid, just go for it.
I would definitely say do it. I think it has made a really big difference to the children in my class.
A big thank you to Swallowfield for showing us how they use informal seating arrangements, competitions, spin the game mode wheel and rock days to create collaborative learning opportunities for their students. Why not try a few for yourself and embrace the productive noise?